Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So once again, welcome back to this channel about job. So I hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss a job openings from Singapore. I hope you know this is a economically strong country and there are many openings for new jobs in this stage. So if you have a dream to move Singapore with a job, or if you are already returned from any Gulf country or any another country and you want to move again with abroad with a job, then watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. So first of all, I like to share you this is a job openings from oil and gas industry. So those candidates having previous experience in oil and gas industry, don't be wait, apply as soon as possible as this is the job openings from oil and gas industry. So you can see here the job positions: painting inspector, have BGAS certificate. For welding inspector, you should have CWI or CSWIP certificate. For piping inspector, you should have at least 5 years of working experience in the relevant field. For electrical inspector, you should have minimum 5 years of experience in the relevant field. For instrument inspector, you should have minimum 5 years of work experience in the relevant field. For document controller, you should have experience in MS Office. For piping supervisor, you should have previous experience. For lifting supervisor, scaffolder, and safety coordinator, you should have proper experience in the relevant field. So, Ministry of Manpower certificate required. This is the very important point. You should have a valid certificates to apply for this job. So, if you guys have the valid certificates with proper experience in the relevant field, then you should have to apply as soon as possible. So to apply, the process is you have to forward your CV to the given official email ID. You get this email ID from the description below this video, and first of all you should have to check that you have the proper valid certificates and you should have the relevant experience in the field or in the job for which job you are applying for. After all, you can apply for this job by this official email ID. So let after you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, of course, you will get a notifications in your email to attend the client interview via Skype or Zoom, any of these applications. So you have to crack the interview during client interview. Once you getting success from the interview, of course, the medical process and all visa process will be start by the end of the company. So I hope you understand how to apply, what will be the job requirements and what is the job openings. And let's now move to next vacancies. This is a multiple vacancies in Singapore. As you can see here, urgent requirement for Singapore. Job categories: electrician, U-turn, knowledge in power cable termination and cable tray work. So this is basic requirements for any of this job. You should have to meet the criteria for basic requirements, then only you can apply for this job. So next is instrument technician, next 3G welder, next steel fitter. So of course this is the common things for any of this job or position. If you want to apply, you should have previous experience and you should have the proper skills, proper knowledge in the relevant field for which position you are applying for, and you should have minimum 3 to 5 years of work experience in the relevant field. For example, if you want to apply for 3G welder, you should have the proper skills, proper certificate, and proper experience minimum 3 to 5 years in the relevant field, so that you can apply for this job by this official email ID. After you applying by your CV to forwarding to the official email ID, you can follow up by this number. So for today, there have few vacancies I already shared with you. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. So again, I would like to highlight you. This is a urgent job openings from Singapore, and the positions are in front of you, and you have to verify that for which position you want to apply. And if you want to apply for any of this job, you should have the previous experience with proper skills and proper valid certificates as per the requirement by the client or by the company. If you are meeting all the requirements, basic requirements which is mentioned by the company right here, of course you can apply and you can eligible to attend the interview. Once you're getting success from the interview, the rest process will be started by the company, so don't worry for that. You need to check your experience and you have to match your position. After that, you have to forward your CV to the given official email ID, and you have to mention in your subject for which position you want to apply for. I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any doubt, any concern, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give you an answer. And if possible, try to share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, this is important information for abroad job seekers. So I hope you understand all the things, and I hope you share this information to all of your friends and candidates, those want to move abroad with a job. So finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding the abroad job. After that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos and apply as soon as possible. So lots of thanks again for everything. Best of luck.